now let's shift focus this afternoon. Air travel in India and abroad is now set to face disruptions this weekend as Airbus A320 aircrafts are going to be grounded for mandatory software update. Globally, about 6,000 aircrafts are likely to be impacted. In India, how many as 338 of A320 family of planes of Indigo, Air India and Air India Express have been grounded. Now, the process of software upgradation that started last night and is likely to be completed tomorrow morning, as Airbus has now issued a technical advisory also when it comes to the global A320 fleet, and in a statement that it says that intense solar radiation may corrupt the data critical to the functioning of the flight control, and hence software update is required. As of now, what is being said that software upgrade has been completed on almost 200 planes, and let's take you through the statement that has now been issued by Airbus. In the meantime, before we do that, let's take a look what DGCA has now been saying as far as the statement that is now concerned. And there has been inspection and modification of the following list, and this is mandatory. And please make all of that as far as when it comes to the necessary amendment. And we are looking at, as far as multiple of these planes are concerned, this is the A320 Airbus that we are looking at, and all of these planes and the applicability that has now been identified, and the analysis that has now been done involving an A320 family aircraft that has revealed that intense solar radiation may corrupt data critical to the functioning of flight controls, and Airbus has consequently identified a significant number of A320 family aircraft currently in service which may be impacted, and Airbus has worked proactively with aviation authorities to request for an immediately precautionary action from the operators. And now what is being said that the available software or hardware protection and to ensure that the fleet is safe, and this would be reflected as an emergency airworthiness directive from European Union Aviation Safety Agency as well, and Airbus has acknowledged these recommendations. So let's connect with Hina on this. Hina, good afternoon. What is the solar radiation issue that is now being raised on part of Airbus that requires this software upgradation?
Well, it's a precautionary measure that Airbus has decided to take. Airbus, in fact, like you were mentioning, Amita, had ordered immediate repairs of thousands of aircraft globally from its A320 fleet. Basically, there was a safety risk regarding a software upgrade that came from the company side that led to 6,000 aircraft of Airbus which belong to the A320 family getting impacted across the world. As far as India is concerned specifically, there are 337 such aircraft which required upgradation as directed by Airbus. Now, this led to a lot of chaos among airlines as well within the country. And this morning, air travelers also were a little confused as to, whether this move is going to impact their air travel today. What we can now confirm to you is that the upgradation process started last night when the advisory came from Airbus. Like I mentioned, in India, there are about 337 aircraft of this particular type of Airbus, which are from A320 family. Now, these are with Indigo, these are with Air India and Air India Express. What is important to note is that as we speak, upgradation process is still going on. 40% upgradation is already done. This hasn't led to any kind of cancellation of flights either of Air India or of Indigo. There have been some delays, flight delays have been caused because of this particular activity that is currently underway. Remember, it's a precautionary measure that has come from the plane manufacturer, which is Airbus, and every country has to comply with this particular advisory that has come in. So as we speak, there have been confirmed delays of Air India Express, but no cancellations as well. What we have also learned from DGCA is that, by tonight, the entire process is going to get completed. So hopefully the delays that we saw for passengers today won't have any, these passengers.
So to avoid any further malfunctions, we are looking at this direction that has now been issued, and this is being followed up in all of the aircrafts worldwide there. But thank you, Hina, for getting us that update. Let's connect with Isha and Shefali as well. Good afternoon to both of you. Isha, because this means, as far as this avoiding any malfunction globally, half of the global fleet of the world's best-selling airliner could be sidelined until there is a software or a hardware fix that is done immediately.
Right, Amita. This is a precautionary measure like Hina was also pointing out. What essentially happened is that an A320 plane had a glitch that took place, which resulted in a lack of altitude of the plane. And what that resulted in is the ELAC glitch. The ELAC is a very integral part of the plane, which is useful in determining when the plane goes up and down. In fact, the aircraft was on autopilot throughout the time. There was no serious damage to the aircraft, but now the European Union came out, issued an advisory which led to a lot of precautions being taken in their countries, but that has led to a cascading effect as now Indian authorities have also now taken action. As Hina was pointing out, there are a lot of fleet. There is a lot of A320 fleet which is being used in India as well, which does include Indigo, Air India, and Air India Express. However, as we speak, the software upgradation
so no
is
cancellations, delays, yes, but we're expecting that this glitch would be sorted and the issue would be resolved latest by tomorrow. Shefali, if you can update us on the airlines issuing advisories for passengers, please.
Yes, Air India also just few seconds now issued a statement stating that out of 200 affected aircrafts, 160 inspection has already been done on 160 aircrafts, and the rest is in the progress. While they have also said that no cancellation has happened so far, and there's a smooth transition happening with this was Indigo's statement, my pardon.
All right.
And Air India has also said that 40% has been inspection has been done.
That safety is top priority, and directives that has been issued, and we are ready when it comes to completing all of the process, and latest by tomorrow, where we are looking at all of the flights that have been either slightly delayed or rescheduled, but the colleagues on ground are there to assist the passengers. Mainly the advisories that is now coming in from multiple airlines there, looking at how the fleet has been affected because to avoid this malfunction. But thank you very much for the moment, Isha and Shefali, for getting us the details.